So let's see if I can get this set up. I don't actually think I can. Let's have a look. Oh well. So while there's no one in here, I'm going to continue working. Just like so. Autosave. Right, so where was I? So I'll save this. And if we come over into customization, no, I don't need customization yet. So I need the save game instance, I need first person character, I need aspect save game. Okay. I need to get you, plug you in there. So with that part there should be good to go. For compile you, yep, you work fine. Let's just check this on startup. Yep, that needs to go there. Okay. So this will load the data. Now we come into my, I don't need to load player data. Need this one. Okay, so let's move on right down here. Let's get some music on the go as well. We'll just load this, blah, blah, blah. Yes, 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 I know. Opening YouTube lab. Okay, just put this back over here. Just like so. Right. So back to where I was. So this is loading this loads all the hoverboard data from a save game. This unlocks the levels, power capacity. What else do I need? I actually think that's everything that I need. So in first person character, my initialize over here. Don't need you anymore. Where are we? Power. Nope. Hoverboard. There. Yep, set that to. Just got to run through all my variables, make sure everything's fine. myself a flashlight as battery without recharge. Hoverboard's fine. Terminals. Those change when I need them. Settings. Master volume I still need to do. I can set up master volume in here actually. Master volume, and we'll make that a float. Compile. Save. Then if we come back into the aspect game instance, volume, we'll make this a float as well. And then we'll just drag you out over here. I think my master volume is set to 0.4. That'll do. 0.7. So master volume is over here. Right. So if I take a pin off, yeah, I need to get a new save game instance. Yeah, got the new save game instance. Get volume, and then set that to that variable. Awesome. Right, so where can I throw this? I'll just move this down here. Create a new comment section. Settings. We'll just drag this down a bit. For some reason it won't let me do a custom event. I don't think I can do actual custom events in here, so I'll have to link up settings later on. Next thing I want to set up is the actual player character, so yeah, I'm just going to delete all of these. Completely remove all of that. Actually, I need to get something. Remove everything. Right. Come right back to the beginning. So aspect game instance. The game instance when it's not freezing on me. There. So I want to cast to this and get the game instance. And then I want to get the hoverboard color table. So the hoverboard color table. The color table. volume that I just set. So those are my 3 floats. What else do I need? I need unlocked levels, playables, and character capacity. Unlocked levels, playables to get the booleans, and capacity. Compile that. Just give me a second. And okay, so I now have all of these. Which I don't actually need there. Just throw these in here. Remove those. Delete all of that. And what's this over here? Yep, delete all of that. Right. What else do I need? I need to create a new variable, but this will be done from here. So promote a variable. Name instance, and we'll throw that into the initialize category. And we want it editable. Compile, save. Yep, I'm going to have compile errors all over the place right now. So load game. Or an input of game instance, and I want it to be, yeah, it's not going to work. Actually, it will. I need the input of game instance, and it is going to be under aspect game instance variable type. Yep, aspect game instance. Perfect. So now what's going to happen is I can drag you over to there, you into there, you into there, you into there, you into there, and you into there. Right, so we'll just move these back a bit, and we'll work on the hoverboard itself. So I need to minimize you, grab you, just set you, set you, set you. So I set all 3 of these values. Let's move those over substantially more. I need to set the pulse color, or the primary pulse color, the secondary pulse for that. Red, green, and blue. Okay, so green A is down here. Green B. Oh, blue A is there. Blue B is there. Right. And yes, I'm doing them in a stack order just because it's cleaner. It means it doesn't extend it quite as far. Okay, so I need a for each loop with break. And then that will execute that. Then I need to get on this array instance. This is actually quite similar to Computercraft in the way of using for loops and tables. So I need to get the array instance from there. No, that's not actually going to work. No, get rid of that. Gonna have to do it manually, one by one. So let's get that. If that 9 times, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Just clean these out. This is by far the most boring part of the entire process. Just sitting and building, making sure all the logic works. Right, so index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I need to plug this into each of these as well. Luckily though, the way I'm doing this now, I'll only ever have to do it once, instead of how I was doing it one by one each time. That was taking, yeah, doing it one by one each time was a bit long, a bit painful. Every time I wanted to load the game, I had to rewrite the entire function. Every time I wanted to save it, I had to do the exact same thing. But now I'm going to have everything handled with a function. So you go there, you go there, you go there, you go there, then there, and there, and there. Plug all these into here. And that looks pretty good to me. We'll create a comment here. We'll call this white color initialization. For the hell of it. Right. Next one. I'm going to leave the character table for last because I haven't actually done that. Right. This I'll just zoom right click. Just because I don't really need to do anything else for there. Unlock levels doesn't really matter, so I don't need that there. And master volume does, because I've got some things in here that I need to use from that. Then I have character booleans and capacity. I need the capacity actually. So let's just grab this capacity. We'll drag you over here. I want to get again index 0 and index 1. I'm only using 2, a current and a maximum. I don't even need the current, so just need the maximum for now, because this is the loading. No, I need the current as well. So let's load these up. So your maximum and got that one. Link these nicely together. We'll fire off that execution all the way up there. Move that back up there. So we've got the execution up there. What else do we need? Actually, I need to fire you off as well. Well, I'm at it. I'll just make this the first thing I fire off. Just because it's no actual use to anything there. Right, so load game function call is there. Player booleans. Let's compile. So player booleans. What do we have in here? We don't currently have anything in here. To get you, I need to set an array element. What boolean do I want to use? Super is active. So we have one for is super, which is false by default. Next, what are the booleans do I need? First person character, let's see, power. That's fine. Hoverboard, that's fine. Don't need those. Settings, that's fine. Terminals, that's also fine. Weapons. Has headphones. I need that one as well. So 0 and 1. Okay. Control C, Control V. 1. Well, actually, I don't even need to set these yet. See, I'm jumping backwards and forwards now. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I don't need to set those yet. They will be set in this save data area. So get and get. Has headphones, set, and is super, set. So rather than hard coding it in like I used to be doing, I'm doing it this way for the simple pleasure of having it persistent, cutting down my loading times instead of having to call the save game each time. I'll just store all the actual variables in the RAM. They reset once the game resets. So when it comes to the point where I shut down the game, all the variables in the instance get reset back to the defaults. But on a end call, I'm going to call a function that will save the data to the hard drive rather than just keeping it stored in the memory. And I really chose a stupid time to be doing this. 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock. Who the hell codes at 2 o'clock in the morning? Me, apparently. Okay, so next up, we want to set these. Comment that. And power levels. We want to comment this as well. Labels. Compile. So yeah. So that's actually looking pretty good now. Everything else can be hard coded in. It's just going to load all these data, all these variables from the game instance each time. And I don't currently have anything set up for that just yet. So if I hop back over to my event graph, I don't even need the save game instance. What I do need is load the game though. And then the game instance is going to be initialize there, get. There we go. So load the game. Let's all this up here. No, yeah, I need to get is playing as well. So I need to get is playing and branch that out up to here. So if they're currently playing, the pause menu won't show. Perfect. Right, so if I move back over here, show loading screen, blah, 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 blah. I'm just going to completely remove that loading screen section. Don't need it. Get rid of that. Okay. Get rid of you as well. Get rid of all of this. No idea what that's doing over there. Let's just pull this back up. Right, looping, super custom event. Right, that's a separate event that I can actually just move out of there for now. Okay, so you're on an event tick. Let's go, blah, blah, blah. First person, headphones, super, yep. All of you just refused to move as well, didn't you? Yep, okay. So I'll just put you back up there. Set vector parameters. Right, if I compile you, I don't know where that variable currently is. Save game. Just remove all of that. Compile. Loading stopped. Where are you? I can completely delete that. Where is loading stopped? It's on a show loading. It's there. I can delete that. Compile. Perfect. Everything is now set up and ready to go. Kind of. I need to build the save game section. So now this, well, once again, get the game instance. Well, actually, no. I need to put an input. Game instance. There we go. Make things a little bit easier for me. Right. Now I just need to do the opposite. So I need to get all of these. Get the green. Get the pulse red. I know this isn't very instructional right now, but that's mainly because I'm just reworking some things I've already done. There's no point doing a tutorial on stuff I've already done, and no point explaining what it all does because it'll just take way too long. I'll have to jump between blueprints, and I'd actually have to show you how it works. And yeah, you get the idea. Right, so I need to get the game instance, and then I need to get what color table. Now I need to set an array element. Right. Need to do this 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I'm going to do this one linear. Right, so just plug that straight into there. Yeah, linear seems to be the way to go for this one. The other one ended up looking pretty bad. And since it's 0 base, 8, 7, 6, 5, 40, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I need to plug in the array table to each and every single one of these. Truth be told, the only reason I'm still doing it like this, with all these separate variables here, is because it'll take way too long to recode everything else. Saying that though, it's only the hoverboard. I come into my event graph. This is where I make the colors. So to do something like, I don't know, get the game instance there, then do a color table. I could, the code would be a lot bigger, but it'd be cleaner. I'm going to do it like that. Screw it. Fook it. Why not, eh? No, right. So let's just create a new variable. Board color table. The default name for this. And it's a float. And it's an array float. And its category is, let's see, hoverboard. Hoverboard color table. This. Grab all 9 elements. I can remove that now. Do this 3 times. It's fine. 0, 1, and 2. Red, green, and blue is how I'm storing it. If I write, that should be black if I was to fire up the game now. I wonder if the game will actually let me just fire it up. New window. Customization, pause menu, main menu. No, I'm not sure. Just for this, I need to set that to is playing. Now I'm sure. Okay, so yep, that's black. And it works exactly how I wanted it to, oddly enough. Apart from this first bit here, right at the beginning of the event graph. I've set his plane to true. Ah, I know exactly what's going on. Need to set that. Now that thing should be hidden. The pause menu even. No? Okay. Whatever. But I think I know what the problem is. So if I just keep that like that for now. Right. I can begin to move this stuff back in here, back to where it was. I can move these back in, keep everything nice and close together. Makes for a better time. Move you up, move you down, compile, save. Right, where's the next one? I think it's under here. It is. To be fair, I don't even need this anymore. But I'm going to keep it. Just because it makes sense. But I am going to copy and paste this down here. And delete those. We'll just paste this in. Red, green, and blue, like so. Then we'll grab a second reference to the color table. There. C, E, and then V. I need 2 copies of these. So this is going to be 3, 4, no, 3, 6, and 7. Then 3, 5, and 7. God. 4, 6, and 8. Just because of the way I split them up. And then if I link these up, like so, compile, save. Now, when I run the game, the entire board should be black. No? Hmm. Hmm. think I know what it is. Save. I need to come back to my hub manager. Need to select that. Edit this blueprint. That's fine there. Okay, I'm going to need to come up here, edit this one. It's the parent I needed. Table. Close that, grab these. Control C for those. Grab them all at once. It's like that. And I can delete those, put those there, put these here. Connect. That's the worst part about it. If I was actually writing the code, I could just copy and paste the entire block of text. But this does have its plus sides. Compile, save, play. Let's test that one. Okay, now I don't understand. An event tick, you're supposed to be doing this. So let me cast the first person character again. And I can actually delete all of these now. We'll get there in the end. Compile. Right. Load game. Up. Spot color table. So I have defined here. So why have I still got these? Oh, isn't that so much simpler? Much neater, much nicer. So So much better to look at. Pausing, menu and customization all have errors, which is fine. I don't mind. I do mind that isn't working. No. Right, so let's just save that. Then we come back into here on this load game. I want to set this hoverboard color table like that. And I'll just drag that into there. Drag that into there. We'll just leave that to be like that for now. Right. So if we come into this on the initialization, I'm telling it to load data, so string in load data right at the end here. Okay, so the blueprint error is actually stopping it from initializing. By the look of things. Nope, there's an error somewhere else, somewhere along the line. I now need to find. Okay, so it's not there. Is it here? It shouldn't be, but nope, it's not there either. Is it this one? Can't imagine it would be, but it is. That's where it's breaking. Okay. Don't need the character instance anyway. Just delete that. Put you there. Put you there. Compile, save, play. Needs adding a weight. Let's see. That's what I needed. Needed delay. We'll just set you to 2 seconds. Fine. Gonna need to see where this is breaking now. Saying that, need to set you to that. Move all of you across. When I can click on you. There we go. Throw you in there. You in there. File, save. Test play. Yes, yes, I know. Ah, perfect. Oh, it works. Put an extent. Okay, so I can still pick things up. And it's sort of working. Now, pause menu to fix still. Customization menu to fix still. Aside from that, everything else Looks good. Save that. What more do I need? I need, first of all, to move all of this crap to somewhere more practical, like here. And I'll just throw you there. Add saving instance. Google Glass. The Canon's there. The person camera. Everything else seems legit over there. So what else do I need to actually load? If I come into my load game, I'm loading the hoverboard, I'm loading the power levels, I'm loading the functionality. As headphones is super. Although I need to set that to 1. No, I don't. It's super and headphones. Yeah, we'll set it the other way around. Super 0 headphones as 1. Compile and save that. And yeah, I believe that's everything I need for that section. So save game. Set that over here. Set the character power capacity. Need to set. Need to set the play booleans. Need to set the master volume. And I need to set the unlocked levels. Set the character color table. To be fair, so fine. Go to a category to be my character. So get, set that there. That's fine. Don't need that in there. Where's master volume? The settings, so I need to get it, plop it off into there, move that. Okay. First. Index 1. Yeah, that item. Yeah, that one. I can move these back over here. Plug that in there. Okay. Same again over here. Let's just move that back. We'll set an array element over there. Then we'll set another one over here. So plug that into there. We'll move these down. Plug that into there. That into there. We'll get you. Plug you into there. Get you. Plug you into there. And this one's index 1. Throw you there. Throw you there. Lift you up. Put you there. Drag all of you. Move you back. And get you finally. Compile. Save. Timer. Set the timer to 5. The function will be a game. So every 0.5 of a second, we'll save the game. And pull back up here to the event graph. of the display hoverboard apparently. Nope, I want this one. And this event graph. We'll start you off. One is playing, just to test this out. Yeah. Go away. Okay. And every 0.5 of a second, that'll do. And I've literally only just realized. So we'll come all the way back to first person. That's one hell of an event graph. It's nowhere near as long as it used to be. Thank God for that. Whew. So everything else seems to be working perfectly fine now. Compile, save. So now I need to come into this. When it's not freezing on me, I need to fix up my pause menu. And I think it's going to crash. No, it hasn't crashed, not yet. And that's backwards, by the look of things. Ah, no. So let's flip that around. So pause menu, save. Yeah, I don't even need this anymore. You can just delete that. That's not even needed now. Neither is that. Go back into my designer. I have no resume game options. And what else was there? Load. Yeah, load's fine. It's a pause menu. There is no loading. Jesus Christ. You can tell I haven't been in this graph in a while. Everything's so spread out. Yep, that's all fine. Should be nothing casting to anything, actually. Why are you creating that? Get rid of you. Click you in over there. Save games a slot. So the only thing it's actually doing everything should work. Just some, so save that. I need to come back over here where it says initializing. I literally have nothing to draw my HUD at the moment. So if I do one more over here, yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll move those away. I'll create a new widget. And actually put it in the right place. So we'll create a new widget. This is my heads-up display. View part. And the other one. Doesn't really matter to me right now. And then that goes over there. So that should give him a heads-up display. Let's test that out. It's still going to shout at me for customization. And main menu. Do I have main menu? But yeah. So that kind of works. Kind of. So pause menu. There's something I need to add. And I really cannot be bothered to type it all out. So I know I have it somewhere. It's here. I need to set it as active as well. No, I don't. Right. Come back up here. Back there. Do that. Okay, so save that. And then if I run this, we should be good to go. The only blueprint I'm having errors with now. Why are you doing that? Okay, so show mouse cursor, enable click events, ignore and ignore. Compile, save. I know there's a much easier way to do that. I could just enable input, but you know. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I can use my hoverboard, that's all fine and dandy. Can I pick up my headphones? Can I play music? I can. The compiler errors I need to fix up. So customization. All of this needs to go now. I'm just going to rebuild this all from scratch. Just delete all of that. Yep, goodbye. Get rid of everything. And on this one, I'm only going to get rid of this top row here. Because now I need of a color table. This is going to be fun. Back to there. Move that to there. 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 That one there. One there. And finally, this one here. By the look of things, I've actually done this a decent way. So I should just be able to go from 0 to 8 without issue. So You go there. You go there. You go there. Green and blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 8. Here we go. All of those. All right, so we have all 8 there. And we can just plug all of these in. So it starts off with the primary red, green, blue, and then it does its pulses, which is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so if I come back into here, and I'll just grab this again, and throw this into customization, like this. And then we'll cast that there as well. Yep, that's all fine and dandy. The table. We'll use a get. For some reason, red's up there. Green, blue. So you're 2, you're 1. Plug these in. Okay. B, 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 V, V, V. Value, 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 and value. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Perfect. Put you there. You there. You there. You there. You there. And finally, you there. Compile. Okay, color and opacity. No, customization, back to here. Not even using you, so get red value. I don't quite understand what I was trying to do here. Whatever it was, it seemed to work. No value bindings. Anywhere to be seen. Compile, save. Let's give it a test play. Yep, resume game. That's fine. So we have it white and purple now. And those discs. Color it's supposed to be. Nothing's updating, unfortunately. That one is. That one isn't. I'm not too sure why. I'm gonna have to fix that. Save isn't working. Visibility hidden. Yeah, one other thing. I need to fix all of that. Compile, save, play. So these aren't actually updating. I need to figure out why. That could be why. Ah, perfect. Customization's actually working now. Set you to black as well. Save that. You're not updating properly, but the other thing is, and so is that. I also need to fix my heads-up display. It's not working properly now. But on the plus side, that's all working. So, yep. Save. But from customization at the end of all of this, I need to tell it to cast to first person character. Let's play a character. And then call the function. And the game instance is going to be that one. Instance. So I need to cast you there, then you there. Golden. That'll update it in that. So now I need to save this data. So now I need to save this to the actual drive. So let's begin with that. So we have my aspect save game here, which I need to cast to. No, I don't. I need to get that save game instance. Just need to set all of these. Character, don't set hover is the next one. Color table, but also I need to save unlocked levels. And master volume. I haven't even done anything for upgrades yet. But I'll set upgrades while I'm at it. In here, I'll go upgrades. There's variable type to that. It's an array of floats. I don't want that. Be an enum. Or enumeration. There's variable type. Perfect. Get you. Hover color table. Let's get the hover color table. And let's get the character color table. And we'll get the master volume, which I wasn't even using. Still need to set that up. There we go. Compile, save, play. No. Main menu is going to have compiler errors. I still need to delete main menu. But yeah, save. Save. And on this event graph, I want to start a timer. Set timer. I will set it to every, well, for now we'll set it to 5 seconds. Non-looping. Like that. And at the end of this, we'll print a string saying saved. Or save. Play. Which I will actually be calling this from within the game. But yeah. So let's just wait for that little message to pop up. There we go. So with that, compile and save this one last time. Come back into here. And I need to set another timer. So if we come back, just move all of these across. Just give me no space to set a timer. Like that. And this function is going to, well, that's not going to cast to because I've already got it. It's going to get this game instance. It's going to run the variable or the function save data. It's going to set that visibility. Compile, save. Right. Event graph. Timer. We'll set this to 5 seconds just to start with. Show saving ing. Fetch applied to. Right, so let's compile, save this, and hit play. Just to make sure that other thing works as well. That didn't seem to want to load. Just put one more print variable in here. Just keep it blank. So we'll just keep that blank for now. Yeah, so it is saving. It's just not showing me my autosave icon. So why is it not showing me my autosave icon? Show saving, and saving instance. Variable from HUD. Actually, what is wrong with my HUD? I need to crack that open while I'm here. Yep, that's all fine and dandy. For some reason, opacity isn't working. Compile, save, play. Everything else seems to work. Wrong button then. I think I know what it is. First person, because I have a tick. Just create a new variable here. No, just delete that actually. Delete that. I don't actually think I set this up, but I need to send here. It's on this tick. Where did I put it? I put it there. Widget add to viewport. Just cut that out. Compile. Save. Put that there. No, I don't actually need that there. Screw it. Boolean. Put this back in here. But we'll also get this Boolean. And we'll branch it. So it's only if it's false, it'll draw the HUD. Then it's HUD, set it to true. False by default. Good. That's going to be another condition I'm going to have to save, but yeah. So if super is true, can do this. And then go back into that branch. Pile, save. One last attempt. One last attempt, and then I'm going to bed. Perfect. How it was. 7 there. And first person character. No, I need the HUD saving instance. Get. That's going to be my target there. Do that. And then right back up here. Just so I can promote this to a variable. Then we're good to go. Where's HUD saving instance? It's there. Let's set that. Throw that there. Compile, save, and test. Gotta wait 5-ish seconds. It's still not showing me my autosave, but it'll be fine. I need to set it to loop actually, in case I miss it. That's quite a high possibility. Nope, it's not showing me. Show saving. Game instance target data. I need to set those both to that. And then yeah. Set those both to visible. And then execute a delay from here. So that people can see it. Make sure. And then back from show saving. No. And saving. Wow, that's a mess. Hidden. Hidden. Compile. Save. Play. Auto save is showing. About 4 seconds, it goes away. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. And with that, I think it's time for me to go to bed. So it's been fun. I've completely reorganized my entire savings feature. Who knows, maybe next time in our live stream, we'll have something sorted out. We'll do some level design next time. I'm doing some level design. But yeah, see you all later. Bye-bye.